Hi, I'm Dan Oliver S. Gonzalez, an information systems student from Caraga State University, and I'm passionate about technology, design, and problem solving. I'm here to share a bit about my skills and how I can contribute to your team. As a web developer, I am proficient in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the core languages that form the foundation of the web, and I've used them to create responsive, interactive websites that offer great user experiences. Whether it's building a user-friendly interface, styling a page with custom layouts, or adding dynamic features with JavaScript, I am equipped with the skills to bring ideas to life on the web. In addition to my web development abilities, I have experience working with tools like Canva and Adobe to create compelling graphics and designs, whether it's a logo or a social media post or a presentation. I can make sure that visuals are clear, engaging, and professional. I am also proficient in Microsoft apps like Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, which are essential for creating documents, organizing data, and presenting ideas effectively. I pride myself on being resilient, independent, and able to work well under pressure. Throughout my academic and personal projects, I've developed the ability to stay focused, manage multiple tasks, and deliver results on time. I have the capacity to get things done no matter how challenging the project might be. If you're looking for someone who is passionate about web development and has the technical and creative skills to support your team, then I believe I'm the right fit for the position you're offering. I'm eager to contribute my skills and continue learning as part of your organization. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to the opportunity to work together.